So this is exactly how I was able to fix my OnePlus Nord Buds 3 Pro not charging. So basically I found out that the main reason why it's not charging is because the cable that we get when we purchase the Buds 3 Pro isn't actually, I mean, in my opinion, it's not the greatest cable. It can break really easily, at least from my own experience. I mean, I might be wrong, maybe I just got unlucky, but I believe it's the cable issue personally. So basically what I had to do, I had to get one of those USB-C cables here, and one of the ends needs to go here. And the other end, which is also an USB-C end, can go to, for example, your PC or to an adapter or whatever. And you can see if it's gonna shine like orange here or yellow. I believe it's orange kind of. That means that it's now being charged, just so you know. And you can also, if you have the app, it's called Hey Melody, the app, you should be able to see also on the app that it's being charged here, as you can see. But basically, yeah, that is exactly how I myself was able to fix my OnePlus Nord Buds 3 Pro not charging.